Hey everybody, Simon Says here with CVLIFE, and in today's video we've got a quick unboxing of their USB-C rechargeable BoreSighter laser kit. Now one quick thing I want to get into before we actually unbox this thing is the box itself. It comes with a nice handle for carrying to the range and two clips that kind of keep everything nice and secure, as well as the interior, which is completely foamed and organized, so once you receive it, if you just keep it clean and neat, it should stay that way. To give you all a quick rundown of everything that it comes through, we've got 64 adapters ranging from 0.7 all the way to 0.797 diameter, a USB-C rechargeable cable, which is really nice to have if you have a new iPhone or a GoPro or maybe some of the newer devices that runs on it. We've got a mini screwdriver, a hex wrench, and a small screw which will help you with the adapters. And then we've got an arbor which is going to help you with your bigger calibers. For example, once you get past 12 gauge, the BoreSighter might not want to sit at the front of the muzzle. It might slip through or kind of fall forward, so that'll just help keep everything better in place. And lastly, we've got the BoreSighter itself, which is made out of high quality aluminum. It's not going to break off on you. It's not made out of cheap plastic or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about it when you're putting it in your firearm. And then again, it's rechargeable, which once you put it on the charge, it'll glow red, letting you know that it's being charged, and then once it glows green, it's fully complete and ready to go. It has a class 3A laser which should appear indoors, outdoors, at daytime, or nighttime. And then speaking of red and green, it actually comes in two different colors, red and then a green laser. This one's in green, which actually helps better if you have astigmatism like me. And it can sight in your iron sights, red dots, and scopes and all that fun stuff, which can actually save you a ton of money at the range. Now I'm still going to advise you to take your piece to the range and actually practice on paper once you've got it all sighted in with the BoreSighter, but again, it helps save a lot of money and ammo. Alrighty, enough talk guys. Let me go ahead and point this laser indoors at my target right here, and then we're going to go outdoors and we're going to see how it appears. Then I'll wait till it gets darker outside. We'll take it out again and I'll point it at some trees and we'll see how bright it is. So just to kind of pan up right here from where I'm sitting and point this laser at my target, as you can see, it shows up bright as day, and I've got my camera flash on, I've got all my lights on inside, and yeah, I mean, you can still see it. So let's say you were at an indoor range and you were wanting to scope things in, or if you had a long enough hallway, you could pretty much just stand 25, 30 yards away and actually sight in anything you'd want. It does help having a paper target like this, and the laser itself is extremely accurate. Once you get it into your barrel, you'll see that. Anyways, let me take you guys outside and let's test it out in the sunlight. All right, everybody, we are officially in my backyard. I'm gonna go to the furthest corner over there with the BoreSight laser kit. I'm gonna shoot it over here at one of these trees, and hopefully it'll kind of demonstrate how powerful the laser is. All right, everybody, I've got the tripod all set up next to this tree. I'm gonna go over to that corner I showed y'all and shoot the laser at it. Alrighty, I'm in the furthest corner of my backyard, easily like 40 yards, maybe more, and that thing is showing up as easily as it would anywhere else. I hope you guys are seeing that. That's kind of impressive to me, honestly. So it's nice to know that this thing can get me sighted in pretty far. And since it's showing up in the middle of the day, I'm sure we're gonna have no problems at night, but we might as well test it out just to see what happens. So I'll see y'all in a few hours once the sun goes down and we're able to test it out. Alrighty guys, I'm outside and I've got that CVLIFE BoreSighter. This thing is insane. I'm about to show y'all. It's hitting buildings that's like 100 something yards away. So if you see those lights over there, that's a building that's, again, over 100 yards, and I'm about to hit it with this laser. So boom, it's hitting all over the side of that building. I don't want to keep it on there for too long because I don't want to freak anybody out, but that's impressive. All right, let's head back inside, guys. And that about does it, guys. Big shout out to CVLIFE for sending us this kit to try out on the channel and make some content with here in the near future. For example, like sighting in some of our iron sights, lasers, and red dots. If you're interested in checking that out, make sure you're staying tuned in by hitting that subscribe and notification bell. Also, make sure you're checking the description box for some links if you're interested in picking one of these up. And feel free to drop me a like if you enjoyed the video. Any comments down below, I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. But anyways, everybody, it's truly been a pleasure, and I'll see y'all in the next unboxing.